Is your Dyson V11 suddenly dead? Like, completely unresponsive? No amount of button pressing or pleading seems to bring it back to life? You're not the only one dealing with this. The dreaded won't turn on, no charging response problem is a surprisingly common issue we see with the Dyson V11. The most common culprit? A faulty motor. When the motor goes, it can take down the whole system, preventing the vacuum from powering on or even registering that it's plugged in. Think of it like a car engine seizing up. Nothing's going anywhere. Ignoring this problem won't make it magically disappear. In fact, continuing to try and force it on could cause further damage to other components. Plus, you're stuck with a vacuum that's about as useful as a paperweight. And let's face it, a clean home is a happy home. But hold on, RoboCare has the solution. At RoboCare, we specialize in diagnosing and repairing Dyson vacuums, and the V11 is one of our most frequent patients. Our technicians are specifically trained to identify the subtle signs of a faulty motor that leads to this problem. We don't just guess at the solution. We use advanced diagnostic equipment to test the motor's performance and identify any electrical shorts or failures. Then, we carefully disassemble the V11, inspect the motor windings for damage, and check the battery and charging circuitry. But don't just take our word for it. Let us show you the results RoboCare can achieve. Watch this! The same unresponsive Dyson V11, now powerfully cleaning up messes. A fully functional vacuum cleaner. Now that's the RoboCare magic. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I am so happy with RoboCare. They brought my trusty Dyson back to life. They were professional, responsive, and they really knew what they were doing. I would definitely recommend them to anyone having problems with their vacuum.
Don't let a dead vacuum slow you down. Contact RoboCare today. We'll get your Dyson V11 or any other vacuum back in action.